Hello students, welcome to another video from Plant Science Pathshala lecture series. In this video, we are going to discuss the major classes of photosynthetic pigments. In previous video, we have studied Introduction to Photosynthesis, Overview of Photosynthesis process, and Importance of Photosynthesis. Students, we know that plants take atmospheric carbon dioxide through stomata in leaves. Plants also need water for synthesis of carbohydrates, and plants take water from soil. This carbon dioxide and water needs to be converted into carbohydrates. For this conversion, plants need energy. Plants obtain this energy from sunlight. For the absorption of sunlight energy, plant leaves have special organelles called chloroplast. In last video, we seen that chloroplast contains stroma and grana region. Inner membrane of thylakoid of granum region shows presence of photosynthetic pigments like chlorophylls, carotenoids and phycobilins. And these pigments are capable to absorb sunlight energy and convert to chemical energy, that is for the synthesis of food. Let's see details of sunlight absorbing pigments. While studying photosynthetic pigments, we will go through site of pigments, classes of pigments and characteristics of pigments. The pigment absorbs sunlight from the visible region of the electromagnetic spectrum, that is from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. These pigments includes chlorophylls, carotenoids, xanthophylls, phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. Chlorophyll is a major green pigment, that is why plant leaves appears green. These pigments are located in a chloroplast of leaves. Pigments are actually located on thylakoid membranes of chloroplast. Photosystem first and photosystem second, located on thylakoid membrane, are made up of photosynthetic pigments, and that pigments are capable of converting sunlight energy to the chemical energy. As ATP and NADPH, we call it as a light dependent reaction of photosynthesis. And these ATP and NADPH are utilized for the formation of glucose in a dark reaction, that is a light independent reaction. Let's go in the details of photosynthetic pigments. For the process of photosynthesis, four things are required: water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and pigments. And in this lecture, we are talking about these pigments. There are main two groups of pigments: principal pigments and accessory pigments. Principal pigments includes chlorophyll A and bacteriochlorophyll. Chlorophyll A is present in all plants and bacteriochlorophyll is present in bacteria. Accessory pigments includes chlorophyll B, C, D, E, etc., carotenoids and phycobilins. Carotenoids include carotene and xanthophyll. Carotene is a red or orange colored pigment and xanthophyll is yellow colored pigment. Also, phycobilins includes phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. Chlorophyll is a main photosynthetic pigment. These chlorophylls are of various types. They are as chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, bacteriochlorophyll, bacterioviridin. That means there are 7 different types of chlorophylls. Chlorophyll is a chemically porphyrin derivative. Chlorophyll molecules are made up of two parts, head and tail. Head region shows tetrapyrrole ring with magnesium in center, and then there are 4 nitrogen atoms. Look at structure. Ring first to 4, that is ring first, ring second, ring third and ring fourth. That is ring first to 4 are pyrrole rings and fifth ring is a cyclopentanone ring. Ring first to 5, that is all these rings makes porphyrin head. Porphyrin head is also known as a tetrapyrrolene ring. Carbon 3 look at the structure. Carbon number 3 of second ring. Carbon 3 of second ring has different functional groups, and depending upon the type of functional group, chlorophyll type will also be depend. If at carbon number 3 of second ring methyl, that is a CH3 group, then it will be a chlorophyll A molecule. And if at carbon 3 position has aldehyde, that is CHO group, then it will be a chlorophyll B. Now we will see second part of chlorophyll, that is a tail region. Long hydrocarbon chain attached to 7th carbon atom of 4th ring. This long hydrocarbon chain has 20 carbon atoms, and this is known as phytol tail, phytol side chain, or phytol tail. So students, most important thing in chloroplast structure is magnesium is in the center and 4 pyrrole rings attached to this magnesium. Carbon 3 of second ring has different functional groups, either methyl group or aldehyde group. So students, we have to remember only these important things about chlorophyll structure. Going into details of photosynthetic pigments. First of all, we will see chlorophyll A pigment. Chlorophyll A is a primary pigment found in all plants. We can see here structure of chlorophyll A molecule. Magnesium is at center and surrounded by 4 nitrogen atoms and 4 pyrrole rings, and entire structure is called as a tetrapyrrole or porphyrin head. Formula is C55H72O5N4Mg. Structure shows hydrophilic porphyrin head and hydrophobic phytol tail, which is embedded in thylakoid membrane. 4 pyrrole molecules link together by methane group to form porphyrin ring. Chlorophyll A is a bluish green pigment. Side group at the second ring is a methyl group. It is main pigment at the center of pigment system. There are 3 forms of chlorophyll A molecule: chlorophyll A P700, chlorophyll A P680, and chlorophyll A P660. Now we will see second principal pigment, that is bacteriochlorophyll. Bacteriochlorophyll pigment is present in green and purple sulfur bacteria. Formula is C55H74O6N4Mg. It is a reddish purple pigment. It has side group at the first ring. 3 carbon is a CH3C double bond O. It shows maximum absorption is in infrared region. Students, let's see accessory pigments. And first of all, we will see chlorophyll B. Structure of chlorophyll B is the same like chlorophyll A, except that in a second ring, the side group instead of methyl in chlorophyll A, it is aldehyde, that is CHO in chlorophyll B. Formula is C55H72O5N4Mg. Chlorophyll B has a hydrophilic pyrrole head and hydrophobic phytol tail. 4 pyrrole molecules linked together by methyl group to form porphyrin ring. Maximum absorption at red and blue region. Side group at the second ring is aldehyde group, and this is the main difference between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Let's see second accessory pigment, that is a carotenoid. Carotenoid is an accessory pigment. It includes carotenes and xanthophylls. Carotenoids are lipid in nature. Carotenes are hydrocarbon carotenoids. Formula is a C40H56. It is a major carotenoid in algae, bacteria, and higher plants. It is a red-orange color pigment. It shows maximum absorption in the blue-violet region. There are 3 types of carotenoids: alpha carotene, beta carotene and gamma carotene. Now let's see xanthophylls. Xanthophylls are oxygenated carotenoids and it can be called as oxygenated carotene. Formula is C40H56O2 and we can see it is a oxygenated carotene. It is a brown or yellow colored pigment. Lutein, zeaxanthin, violoxanthin and neoxanthin are the examples of xanthophylls. Carotenoids are brown, red or yellow color. It gives brown, red or yellow color to the plant parts. As plant leaves mature, chlorophyll deteriorates and replaced by these carotenoids like xanthophylls and carotenes, and thus senescent or ripened leaf appears yellowish. Now we will see roles of carotenoids. Carotenoids protect chlorophylls from photooxidation. Carotenoids cannot take direct part in photochemical act. They absorb light energy and transfer that light energy to chlorophyll A molecule. Due to such supportive role, carotenoids are considered as accessory pigments. Carotenes are found in pigment system first and xanthophylls in pigment system second. Let us see next class of accessory pigment, that is phycobilins. The name phycobilins indicates the algal origin of the pigment. Bluish pigment found in red algae and cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. It is predominantly found in blue-green algae. It is water-soluble pigment. Phycobilins are of three types: phycocyanin, blue pigment; phycoerythrin, red pigment, and third type is allophycocyanin. There is no magnesium and no phytol tail or side chain in the structure of phycobilins. This pigment enables algae to live deep water in sea. Students, now turn towards photoprotective carotenoids or photoexcitation of pigment system. Chlorophylls, carotenoids, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin together form a pigment system. In pigment system, chlorophyll A is situated at reaction center. The radiant energy of sunlight is absorbed by various pigments of pigment system. Some part of energy loss in the form of fluorescence. And finally, the remaining energy is transferred to chlorophyll A molecule, which is situated at the reaction center. In pigment system, chlorophyll A is at center. Remaining pigments like chlorophyll B, carotenoids, xanthophylls, phycobilins absorb and passes light energy to chlorophyll A molecule. After absorbing energy, the ground state or low energy state of chlorophyll A molecule becomes energy rich and it gets activated. Thus, it excites energy rich electron on the outer orbit. Excited state is highly unstable. It remains for 10⁸ seconds and an excited electron returns back to its original orbit, during which fluorescence is given out, and at this stage the chlorophyll A becomes positively charged. Positively charged chlorophyll A is also known as ionized chlorophyll A. Expelled electron contains high energy which moves through photosystem first and photosystem second, and it conserved in ATP molecules. The electrons with extra amount of energy is ejected only from specific chlorophyll A and not from any other pigment. Thus, only chlorophyll A molecules takes directly part in photochemical reactions. All other pigments cannot take direct part in photochemical reactions. The energy absorbed by all these other pigments transferred to chlorophyll A molecule. All such pigment molecules which help the chlorophyll A molecule to complete the photochemical act are called as accessory pigments. Chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, carotenoids and phycobilins are important accessory pigments. Students, in next video we will study mechanism of photosynthesis in two parts: light reactions and dark reactions. Dear learners, please like, share and subscribe to Plant Science Pathshala channel and enjoy upcoming videos. Thank you.